Hey, what's going on, Track Watchers? Today is September the 29th, 2021. Palantir stock prediction. This is our Palantir stock price target. You guys can see it. The price target was hit. Now we want to show you all what's going on with price, where we're expecting the market to go so that we won't be caught off surprise, right? I know you guys may be reading articles about how Cathie Woods have exited out some of her position in Palantir stock. Cool. But guess what? We already saw that on the price chart too. You guys can actually tell where she probably did that, where she sold some of her stocks, some of her shares in Palantir. And you can tell by the volume. Look at this right here, September the 17th. Take a look at that, right? You see all that volume? Do you think Cathie Woods went in and did the selling right there? Because that is where the price actually hit this restriction that we identified on our last video. Wow. Look at that. What do you guys think? The price chart gives us everything we need to know in relation to where the market is headed. You don't have to bog down looking at EBITDA, looking at expectation of revenue into the future, forecast, none of that. Cash flow, balance sheets, earnings per share, none of that matters because Cathie Woods have given us a footprint, right? Right there, September the 16th. Was that her footprint? Was that her creating all that volume into the market in Palantir, letting us know that she sold out into the market? I mean, come on. This information is very powerful. You don't have to spend 15 hours, 100,000 hours researching fundamental analysis for these companies. It doesn't work. It doesn't matter. Price chart is the only information we need. You don't need no technical indicators. You don't need any fundamental analysis. Point blank, period. So now I'm going to come through and give you all an updated price prediction into the market in Palantir because we wasn't caught off surprise. We told you all to expect some selling to occur in the market in Palantir right there around 30. So before I break down our newest price target for Palantir, tap in, hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe to the channel. So now check this out. Since we saw Cathie Woods, I'm just presuming, but somebody with a whole lot of Palantir came into the market right there on September the 17th. And look at the price since then. Has the price been going up? Nope. So what does it mean? It means that whoever came in on that particular day sold out. They took some profits off the market in Palantir, and rightfully so. I mean, we shouldn't be surprised. $30 has been a restriction in Palantir before, back there in 2021 of February. I mean, look at it. Why are we surprised that the market in Palantir is going down? We even saw it towards the end of 2020. Why are we surprised? Why is this news? We should have expected that the market was going to get rejected around $30. That is why we told you all to be careful and look for the market to get rejected there. So again, we was pretty close. 15, almost 16% profitability from our original prediction that we did on August the 18th, 2021. Simple. All right, so let me get rid of that, because we are noticing some changes occur into the market in Palantir. First things first, that rejection zone, $30, is still applicable. All right, we just saw the market in Palantir. Let me zoom in. You guys can see it. It tried twice to come up and hit $30, and it fell both times. See that? It tried twice and it got rejected. And since then, we've been in a very severe movement to the downside. This tells us something. It tells that the market's not ready to go up anymore. So if anyone is coming in trying to convince you that the price in Palantir is a buy right now, doesn't understand market dynamics, right? So now you guys can still see here that our two lines are still pretty much applicable, right? The trend is still intact in Palantir. So while we're looking for the price in Palantir to go down, if you're in this for the long term, we still have this whole area that we can see this price in Palantir hold to confirm that the long-term trend is still intact, right? So don't fret, don't be upset, don't be mad because price is going down. We still have a cushion, and I've circled it right there, $24, and even I would say a little bit lower of that ascending line. Price can still come down and confirm that the market's still going to go up. All right. So now, since we got rejected around $30, that's one reason why the market is anticipated to go down Secondly, the movement that we saw yesterday in Palantir being down 7.75% is the second reason why we're looking for the market in Palantir to continue to go down. So pretty much we just need to identify how low can the price go, right? Look at this, all this volume. I'm telling you, if this ain't Kathy Woods, it's somebody else taking profit into the market in Palantir. Volume is the biggest indication that lets us know who's being involved into the market. You and I can create this much volume. Someone with a big pocket came in and sold out into the market in Palantir. So we're going lower, okay? So what we need to do is identify how low can we see the market go in Palantir to see support. All right, so the first area is already visually seen on the 3-day time frame. Do you guys see where support can be in Palantir? Because it's going to be right around this area right here. Okay, that's the first area. All right, this is going to be our first spot that we're going to look for the price to come in and grab support. What is that, around $24, a little bit less than that? That's the first area, 24. Second area is going to be down here towards $21.18. So we got $24 first. Second area is $21.18. Okay. That would take us below our trend though. Do you see that? So for us to see the price come to $21.18 in Palantir will literally translate us from moving in an upward trend to us consolidating. Okay. So now let me go ahead and run the play and show you our expectations. We said the first area is going to be around 24. Okay, that's another 5% of the market in Palantir going lower in price. Second area would be around 22. Okay, that's about 13.85%, no lower than here, like 21. Okay, now as we're anticipating this price in Palantir to go down, keep your eyes open on whether or not this price holds support on that ascending line, because if we do, we're not going to come through and grab $21 as support. We won't. Okay, that's it. Okay, so this is it right now. I'm giving you all the expectations in Palantir as to where we're looking for the price to go. 24, and then after 24 we need to see the price grab this ascending line to confirm that we're going to continue to go up, because if we do, that's where the market is going to stop going down and we're going to start seeing the price elevate and go higher. But if we don't hold this trend, this ascending line, be prepared for the market to come down to 21. All right, so that's it. So now let me go ahead and get rid of this here, because I really want the market in Palantir to confirm this ascending line first. Okay, now as I look at this on a monthly perspective, check this out. This here is weakness as well in Palantir. Okay, for us to close throughout the month of September on the low of the bar tells us that we got a little bit more weakness involved in this space, and that we can anticipate the market in Palantir to continue to go down. Right. So let me take this back over to the daily, because this is how we're going to play the market in Palantir. Here it is, plain and simple. You guys can now see I have given you all the TP areas that we're looking for the market in Palantir to come and grab support. First is 24. Second one would be anywhere alongside that ascending line that I have on my chart, and third would be around $21. That's it, done. So now it's your turn. Call the markets right alongside with me. I want everyone who is a subscriber, who's a part of our team, to learn how to do this for themselves, and drop me a comment and let me know, what do you all think about the price in Palantir And where do you think the market is going to move in the next 3 weeks, right? In order for you to win and profit into the stock market, we got to be forward thinkers and anticipate price movement without using technical indicators, without using fundamental analysis. And the better you become, the more likely you'll be able to tell and say, man, that was already being displayed on the chart. How can I catch that? Why was I thinking that the market was always going to go up? Because the market is dropping hints to us every day that the market is open. We just need to learn how to digest it and consume it and see what the people are thinking, right? So now I want to know what you think. Drop me your price prediction right now with a comment in the comment section for Palantir, and we'll see what the market does against your prediction. Make sure you maintain the profitability. I'm done. Trade different. I'll see you all on the next video. All right.